Hey, what's up, everybody? Curtis T. Judd down at the Bill Cole Auto Mall. My good buddy John. John, we got a special ride right here. I'm telling you, he pulled this in, and I got my checkbook out. I wrote the check, but it bounced, so somebody else can come and buy it. Tell us a little bit about this Kia Sorento right here, buddy.
It's a brand new, fully loaded SX Sorento in wolf gray. You've got a panoramic sunroof in this, as well as a wireless phone charger. You've also got heated seats in the front row. Move back to the second row. These fully extend down and up.
Man can lay down back there, can't he?
There's plenty of room. You got the basic truck bed back here if you actually need the car.
Good Lord. I love this color too.
This is wolf gray with the SX wheels. By far our most popular color right now.
Man, let's talk a little bit about real quick what kind of gas mileage we're gonna get on this bad boy right here.
You're gonna get all the way up to 29 miles per gallon highway in this, in a third row SUV. Almost unheard of.
About 46 grand, what we can buy this one for?
Yeah, for the fully loaded.
You ain't gonna get no better deal than that, so get on down here, Bill Cole, like I always say. Go ahead and search everywhere you want to search. You'll end up buying it from right here, buddy. Thank you so much, John. We sure do appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
See y'all. Have a great day.